With all the big games right around the corner, now's the time to open up the playbook on your den and turn it into the most comfortable man cave ever. With a little DIY inspiration, you can create a room that has a masculine flair or flip the switch and add some fanfare to really celebrate your team. All right, so to kick things off, add some DIY decor into your man cave by making your own hammer picture frame. Take an old hammer, part of a wood railing, and some glue and varnish, add your favorite photo, and you're done. And if your CDs are taking up too much space, use the inside covers to decoupage onto a lampshade. Now you've got a rock and roll lampshade and the perfect way to light up the bar. Now on game day or game night, there's always one person who loves to sit on the floor. So make sure he or she is comfortable too. You can make your own comfort wedge. Just get a wedge of foam and cover it in your favorite fabrics. Add a zipper for easy removal. And if you're going for a cohesive theme, use that same fabric throughout the rest of the room decor. Now, bar stools are a staple in any man cave, but now you can change up their look by simply changing up their fabrics. Using that cohesive theme we talked about, add your fancy fabric over the top of the bar stool, and you might want to add a couple more foam cushions. Extra padding means extra comfort, and that means happy people. A man cave can never have enough pillows, so use worn-out university sweatshirts on one side and your theme fabric on the other. On this side, pillows can be used for a more masculine room to sit and sip brandy and talk history. Or just turn them over, get salty snack foods, and turn on the big game for the ultimate watch party. Okay, let's retire all of those neckties and turn them into stunning room decor. Use the tips as embellishments on an oversized pillow. And with the remnant pieces, create a make-it-yourself footstool. Or if you want to be more formal about it, you can always call it a tuffet. Once you attach the tie remnants together, cover a piece of foam on a wood board and add legs. Or you can just bring it to the upholsterer to finish too. Finally, be sure to save the best seat in the house for yourself. Create your own giant beanbag chair. You can make a beanbag chair using any fabric. I use denim and Sherpa fur, and of course, beanbag filler. You can find simple directions on how to make one online. And don't let the name fool you. This man cave offers comfort and luxury that any woman would love too. So with these simple ideas, it's time to Denscape your man cave and get cozy and comfy with this DIY inspiration.